Hello, this is Mr. Burns with a brief tutorial on how to read our coordinate sheets or dot sheets and a little bit of information on how to read a drill sheet in marching band. The first thing you have to do is find your drill number, which will be located on the cast sheet. The cast sheet will be hanging up around the band room on the first day of band camp. First, find your name on the cast sheet. We're going to use trumpet section leader Matt Baldridge as an example. And then find your drill number next to your name. This number is very important. You're going to want to memorize that number, as that is your drill number for the entire show. Oftentimes staff members will refer to you by that number, so it's very important that you memorize that. As far as what the numbers mean and how to find your position on the field, first we want to know that most everything is relative to the 50-yard line. We refer to everything on the performer's right and the audience left as side 1. Everything on the audience right and the performer's left is side 2. Of course, we have yard lines that occur every 5 yards, but we also have some special marks on a high school football field called hash marks. We refer to this one as the front hash mark because it's closest to the audience that we're performing to. There's some other front hash marks. Then there's also the back hash mark, which is closest to the side that we're not really performing to. We refer to the sideline closest to the audience as the front sideline, and of course the other is the back sideline. If we were to zoom in on the drill sheet, these small little squares represent one step. That's one 8-to-5 step, which is 22.5 inches, while the larger squares represent a 4-step by 4-step block. Every student in the band gets their own coordinate sheet. It looks something like this. It should have your name at the top and your drill number. Okay, if there's any problem with that at all, please let your section leader or officer know, but it should have your drill number. Beginning with chart 0A, we find our opening coordinate. Matt's is on side 1 on the 35-yard line, and he is actually on the front hash. So if we were to go to the drill sheet, it should be very easy to find his dot. First of all, he's on side 1, this side of the 50, performer right, audience left. We find the 35-yard line, and then all we have to do is zero in on the front hash, and there's Matt. If we switch to the real view perspective, it's the same process. This side of the 50 is side 1. Here's the 35-yard line, and there's Matt. Now, I have an animation of our opener drill posted, and you can access this on the Facebook group. I'm also going to post your coordinates and the cast sheet on the Facebook group as well. Why not take a minute over the next week to just find your opening set and see if you can follow your dot all the way through the opener. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you at band camp.